Mina sikhaya molweni ndizonifundela esisibhilivana semessage ethi ngomso ngo-11 betinani we are embarking on a OMAD fast 1 meal a day fast eqala pha ngo-11 uzuphume uyogcakamela ilanga wena mntu uselokishini uba unayo ixesha pha emsebenzini your back malitshiswe lilanga umqolo lo uphinde mntasekhaya neenyawo zinyathela umhlaba and make sure that you are in that state yobana ube I don't care whatever happens ungabikho nto kuphazamisayo, be at your calmest state. Nithi mos ngoku nitya ne-ashwagandha, so be in that state yala ashwagandha. And then understand that emergency yomnye umuntu ayisiyo emergency yakho wena empath. If there's an emergency that has got nothing to do with you, don't make it your own empath. I think leyo noko sesiyifundile. You have to learn that people must not be suba i-dump site ye-trauma zabanye abantu. If they have to deal with their issues, they must deal with their issues. Offer help if you can, but don't get izawusotwa nguwe ingxaki yomnye umuntu. People must learn to sort their own problems, and this means that it's 1 meal a day mntanasekhaya. This fast, its overall message is that someone else's emergency is not your emergency. There's going to be a lot of things happening that are going to try and distract you mntasekhaya, ungavumi ngawe, because this is our breakthrough fast. Some people, we're going to start tomorrow 11, 12, 13. Ke mna ke ndiqhela mhlawumbi ndidlulisele ndithi 7 days depending on what's happening. Limit your social media time betunana, or don't even get inside your social media. Switch your phone off and make sure that you document the times, the synchronicities. Be very self-aware in the next coming days, in this next 3 days. Something big is coming, but I'm not going to mention anything until wena uzonixelela mntasekhaya. But there's something that just came through in your life. Breakthrough system, yeminyanya. I don't have much to say mntasekhaya, but I want to say it again. Emergency yomnye umuntu asiyo emergency yakho. Do not allow anyone to trauma dump anything to you in the next 3 days, because baza distract abantu mabafunde ukufunda lessons zengxaki ezibazelayo emhlabeni. Love and light family. Peace out.